8-pack corrugated cardboard production line branch. 8-pack corrugated cardboard production line branch has been committed to the high-end field of carton machinery, the packaging technology in the world, and persevering in conducting scientific and technological public relations on corrugated packaging and key technologies. Furthermore, its technical level has already been in the leading position in China. Therefore, this branch has formed a complete product chain that fully meets the needs of customers with help of perfect technology, world-class production equipment, and specialized manufacturing division of labor. Our company mainly produces the production line of corrugated board with 357 layers with a speed of 100 to 300 meters per minute and the width of 1,800, 2,000, 2,200, 2,500 packer. Printing machine branch possesses the advanced digital intelligent production equipment in flexible printing industry. At the same time, we focus on every production process of the printing machine, pay more attention to the details for the existence of printing technology and the quality and strive for the perfect combination of printing accuracy and quality. What's more, each production process has strict technical standards for quality control. Furthermore, the deep testing of printing machine requires that every detail shall meet the international precision standard of flexible printing. Our company mainly produces high-speed printer and development center of carton machinery and product research laboratory, but also possesses strong production equipment and high-quality production technicians. At the same time, this branch has had the ability to develop new products of intelligent full automatic high-speed feeder machine independently and has created the first garden for producing intelligent post-press equipment. Therefore, this branch has developed into a leading domestic solution manufacturer in carton packaging industry at present. A dozen countries and regions in Europe, India, Africa, Southeast Asia, West Asia, the Middle East, South America, and more than 20 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions in China. Therefore, this group has created a very high reputation and satisfaction in the industry. They has been writing a lot of colorful movements for the Chinese carton machinery.